Welcome back to my channel. Do you want the classic Windows 10 right-click menu back on Windows 11? In this video I will show you how to do it using just command prompt or PowerShell. Fast, easy and without any extra software. Simply copy the command from the link in the description and follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, go to the search option here in taskbar and type cmd. You can use PowerShell too. Now run it as administrator. cmd command is opened here. Now copy the command from the link below and paste here in cmd and press enter. It's done. Now restart your PC. Congratulations, old right click context is here just like you used in Windows 10. Now enjoy. Please subscribe my channel if you do not. Take care. Thank you.